The term limerence refers to an intense, involuntary emotional state where an individual experiences obsessive thoughts of another person to the extent of idealizing them, often without a rational basis. It is a mental state marked by intense excitement and desire for reciprocity. Octopuses are known for their intelligence, but did you know they have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. And the mesmerizing creature experiences unusual sleep patterns, including what is believed to be a form of dreaming. The Michelangelo effect in romantic relationships refers to the phenomenon where each partner helps each other to become their ideal selves, almost as though sculpting each other into the perfect versions of themselves through positive affirmations and mutual support. This effect relies on the pursuit of each individual's cherished goals. The Pont des Arts Bridge in Paris, a once popular destination for lovers to attach padlocks as symbols of their eternal love, underwent a transformation when the weight of thousands of love locks caused the railing to collapse in 2014, prompting a decision by the city to remove the locks to protect the historic structure. Copperhead venom has a component that suppresses the growth of human cancer cells by triggering a process called apoptosis, where the body's cells literally commit suicide. Surprisingly, this venom has a specific protein used in medical treatments for reducing cancer cells, highlighting the potential medicinal benefits of snake venom. When people gaze into each other's eyes for several minutes, they can experience heightened feelings of love and intimacy. This prolonged eye contact can increase physiological arousal, even prompting the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. Humans have more in common genetically with bananas, sharing about 50% of DNA, than with any other fruits, showcasing the fascinating and sometimes humorous nature of genetic similarities in the animal kingdom, revealing connections that defy conventional logic. In a fascinating twist of biology and romance, there's a brain region called the caudate nucleus that activates in the presence of a romantic partner and is responsible for feelings linked to joy and attraction. It is often most active when viewing one's beloved shortly after falling in love. Ravens are known for their intelligence, but did you know these birds can form lasting friendships and even console each other, displaying empathy-like behavior, which is rare in the animal world outside of humans. Couples who have been married for longer periods tend to develop a phenomenon called dyadic synchrony, where they finish each other's sentences or even start to look more like one another. This phenomenon is due to sharing experiences over time and increased empathy or mimicry. One lesser-known aspect of romantic love is that the brain activity of a person experiencing its intense phases is similar to someone who has obsessive-compulsive disorder, reflecting the focus and compulsion inherent in both conditions. If you ever wondered how elephants mourn their dead, here is the answer. Elephants can exhibit a profound capacity for grief, often seen caressing the bones of deceased elephants and standing vigil over them for hours or days. In the world of Romance languages, French is often referred to as the language of love, not just for its melodious tones, but because its vocabulary and phrases are designed for expressing nuances of affection that are often understated in other tongues. In the deep sea, some fish are known to exhibit bioluminescent courtship displays. Male anglerfish, for example, latch onto females and fuse with them permanently, sourcing nutrients directly from the female, which simultaneously fertilizes its eggs, an extreme form of commitment to ensure survival. Research shows that when couples laugh together, it strengthens their relationship bonds, as laughter triggers the release of endorphins that promote social bonding, and couples who share a similar sense of humor are often more satisfied in their relationships. Women want attention when you ignore their feelings, are unavailable, or don't engage in meaningful conversations. So basically, they're like cats that way.